Chapter 10. Our Religious Festivals. A festival is a day celebrating an important event. We already know that our country Bharat is the country of many religions. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. Thus, Bharat is a land of many festivals. Festivals bring people closer to one another. Now let's learn about some religious festivals of our country. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. Diwali is the greatest festival of Hindus. On this day, Rama returned to Ayodhya with Sita and Lakshmana after 14 years of exile. Since then, every year, people light earthen lamps, diyas, on this night to show our joys and celebrate the occasion as Diwali. On the Diwali night, people worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Ganesha, the great god of Hindus. They decorate their houses with lamps, candles, and bulbs. They send sweets and gifts to one another. They visit their friends with relatives. They send greeting cards too. In the night, children light fireworks. They feel very happy, but they should be very careful. There can be accident if they are not careful. Holi. Holi is an important Hindu festival. It falls in the month of February or March. It is the festival of colors. It is associated with the life story of Prahlad. It makes the victory of good over evil. Holi is celebrated for 2 days. Bonfires are lit in the evening of the first day. It marks the burning away of evil from land. The second day is a day of fun and enjoyment. People apply colored powder, that is gulal, on each other's face. Children like to throw colored water on one another. They dance and sing to celebrate the victory of good over evil. People offer sweets to each other. Holi is enjoyed by the young and the old alike. Eid. Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Zuha are two main festivals of the Muslims. Eid-ul-Fitr comes at the end of the holy month of Ramzan. On this day, people wear new clothes. They go to masjid and Eidgahs and offer namaz. After offering the namaz, they greet to each other and wish Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called sevaiyan is prepared on this occasion in every home. People give food, clothes, and money to the poor. The elders of the family give money to the children. They call it Eidi. Eid-ul-Zuha is known as Bakra Eid. It comes 2 months, 10 days after the Eid-ul-Fitr. All lawful animals are sacrificed on this day. Christmas. Christmas is the main festival of the Christians. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. The Christians celebrate Christmas on the 25th December every year. On Christmas, people go to the churches and light candles. They pray there. Different carols are sung by them. They greet Merry Christmas to each other. On this occasion, a small tree is set up in every home. It is called the Christmas tree. It is decorated with bright papers, shining balls, and bells. People exchange gifts and make merry. Children believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for them. Guru Purab. Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab as the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Big processions are taken out on the eve of a Guru Purab. People take part in them with great joy. On the morning of a Guru Purab, Sikhs visit Gurudwaras. They offer prayers from their holy book, Guru Granth Sahib. After the prayers, there is a mass meal called Guru Ka Langar. Sikhs celebrate every Guru Purab with great devotion. Fact to know: the first Guru of Sikhs was Guru Nanak Dev. Their 10th and last Guru was Guru Gobind Singh. Pongal. The people of Tamil Nadu celebrate the festival of Pongal in the month of January. It is celebrated at the end of the paddy, that is rice crop. It is a 3-day festival. On the first day, god Indra, the rain god, is worshipped and the main dish of rice is prepared and eaten. It is called Bhogi Pongal. On the second day, they worship the sun god. They offer him boiled rice with jaggery. They draw the picture of the sun god in the courtyard. It is called Surya Pongal. On the third day, people worship and garland the mother cow. They bathe her and feed her with rice. It is called Mattu Pongal. At night, they sit together and hold a feast and enjoy it very much. Onam. Onam is a festival of Kerala state. It comes in August or September. The people of Kerala believe that every year their great king Mahabali visits his kingdom during these days. Onam is celebrated to honor his return. People celebrate Onam with great devotion. They decorate and light their houses at night. Decorated elephants are taken out in processions. Feasts are held in every house. People visit their relatives and friends and exchange gifts. Boat racing is the main attraction of Onam. Huge long boats are rowed to fast beating of the drums. Kathakali dances are performed in different parts of the state. Folk dances are held with the beating of drums. Girls and young women especially enjoy the celebrations. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. It is a 10 days festival. It falls in the month of September or October. All offices remain closed during this period. Beautiful idols of goddess Durga are made. People worship the goddess for 9 days. On the 10th day, the idols are taken out in big processions. They are then immersed in water. That marks the end of the festival. Now you know, Bharat is a land of many festivals. On the Diwali night, people worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. On Eid, the Muslims go to the masjid to offer a mass prayer. Christmas is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. Key words: victory, win, evil, wicked, harvest, the season for reaping and gathering crop, etc. Devotion, religious attachment. Eve, the day or evening before a religious festival.